everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1968 Chevrolet C10 short box. Gorgeous, guys. 400 miles on a complete frame-off rotisserie restoration, and I can't say enough about this truck. It is just as nice on the bottom as it is on top. Very nicely done. If you've been a veteran of my videos, buddy of mine in Tennessee, this is actually a friend of his that built this truck for himself. Again, it's only got 444 miles, I think is the last time I looked down. Killer color combination, gorgeous paint, just really nicely done truck. This is anniversary gold metallic and then a bright white. It's got a 6.4 suspension drop kit on it, so it sits good. Brand new set of Billet Specialty wheels. That's the latest Billet Specialty wheel out on the market. There's not even a lot of vehicles out there with them on it. All new glass. It's got a LS 5.3 engine in it, 4L60 automatic trans, and you want to talk about nice. This thing, it's a shame it's out here in the snow, but unfortunately with Michigan, we got to deal with it. And we will not be running this thing down the road. New chrome, new trim. Again, very, very nicely done. This looks original in here if you're going to pick something, and there's very little to pick, guys. New bumpers. Again, gorgeous paint. We lost our sunshine. We had sunshine for a second, but just beautiful color on this truck. This thing just glows. All new glass. New chrome mirrors, new door handles. Really nicely done truck, man. Doggone weather. But unfortunately, this is everywhere right now, and it's not going to get any better. So we just got to grit and bear it. Spring is coming. Look how nice that is. And wait till you see the pictures of the bottom of this truck. It's just beautiful. Sits good. 20-inch Billet Specialties all the way around it. New ZR rated rubber. What a good looking truck. I mean, this thing, I love this trim. 68 is just they got this gorgeous side trim. Front disc brakes. That's a gorgeous truck, man. Look at that thing. Again, really nicely done. LS base 5.3 fuel injected engine. 4L60 automatic overdrive trans. You can see it's really done up nicely. Hammer coated the core support here. Aluminum radiator. I apologize, you can see snow here, but everything else is powder coated in here. Power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got vintage AC. I believe it's a PSI controller for the 5.3. It's got all new wiring harness. I think it's American Autowire wiring harness. This gold just glows. It's gorgeous. Bunch of new stuff coming. We're getting ready for the springtime. You can tell they replaced all this stuff in here. Again, new mirrors, new door handles. All this trim is really nice. Look how nice the door pads are. New carpet. That is Parchment. Interior, I love the cup holders underneath. A couple little marks here. It's just a little glue from the rubber, so the guys will get that off. Seats really nice. Again, new carpet, tilt column, comfort grip steering wheel, Dakota VHX gauge cluster, radio delete. It's got all the aftermarket controllers in there. There's some receipts, and actually I think a lot of that in there that we got with the truck is actually like the stuff for the wiring harness and the gauges and the controller and stuff like that. Dual exhaust, basic stock 12-bolt rear axle, nothing crazy, no big monster gear or anything. Definitely something you can get on the expressway and cruise. Truck was built to drive, built to take to the shows and cruises. And then again, wait till you see the bottom of this thing. Custom fuel tank, so it's moved into the bed. Ooh, my hands are about froze. Whew. Warm up my hands here. Look how nice those are. Again, new carpet, new sill plates. Padded dash. I think I said vintage. It's Old Air Products AC. Go to Texas. Killer truck. My buddy Scott drove it for a weekend, said it just runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Oh, he's figuring out which key turns it out. Air blows ice cold, it works. Really nice set of headers on it. Turn the key, point the direction, and go. Killer truck. That 68 side trim is just so cool. Everything lights up in here too. The gauge cluster is really cool. Oh, you really can't see it during the day, can you? But all your gauges are working, holding good old pressure. I think, yeah, that clock works in there. Everything opens and closes real nicely. That is a turn the key, take it right to a car show. Everything's nice and clean in here. Whew. Wee bit cold. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to this YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. Have a great day, guys.